Hey guys, this is Kurt down at Carnes Equipment with a 2016 RZR 900 EPS. This would be somewhat similar to the size of an ATV. ATVs typically run about 48 inches wide. This is 50 inches wide. So this is going to go a lot of places your ATVs are going to go. A couple that had this did some riding in it, but then wanted to get rid of it, and they did. And they put a lot of nice accessories on there. As you can see out front, they've got the winch bound up there so it doesn't flop around. Full brush guard, light bar, lock and ride windshield, roof. You can see the side mirrors on it. Full half door, so they added the bottom door. You can see there's a Pro Armor stereo, the sound bar in here, so that's Bluetooth connectable. Your gun mounts, rear panel, and then even full rear bumper. So great machine. Will get you in and out of a lot of places. Even the bed there to throw, this time of year, you can throw deer in there. Throw smaller bear, but not a big bear. But a great machine. So if you're looking for a smaller side-by-side than something that's bigger, come down to Carnes Equipment in Clearfield to check this one out. Like I said, a 2016, just under 3,800 miles, so not a lot of miles. You can also call us at 814-324-5251, and you can find it on our website at carnesequipment.com.